Hi everyone, this is Heather Lottinen from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 384 and I am incredibly excited about the new Nikon mirrorless cameras. Have you guys seen this information? This is very exciting. I have it up on my laptop right now and Nikon calls it, are you ready for this? The future of imaging. The future of imaging. This is very exciting. They have released two new mirrorless cameras, the Z7 and the Z6. Now, I don't know about you, but I am out of my mind about this. First of all, I love the new mirrorless cameras. And one thing I love that they say on the website is, somewhere it said, feather light, super light. That's my favorite part about these new cameras. I've talked about the weight in the past, not a fan of the weight of some of the DSLRs. Okay, the Z7, 45 megapixels, Z6, 24 megapixels. They're calling the Z6 the all-arounder, a versatile multimedia powerhouse. Fast speed, brilliant low light performance. That's something I'm really interested in myself because I shoot in a lot of low light. The Z7, they have it as the perfectionist, the ultimate in modern full frame imaging, maximum resolution, revolutionary autofocus. Okay, I can't wait to get my hands on one of these mirrorless cameras, and as it turns out, Nikon has selected YM Camera as one of the limited locations for their big launch event. This event is on Thursday, September 13th from 5:30 to 8 p.m. at YM Camera. Of course I'm going to be there. You know why? Because they are going to have the Nikon Z7 camera in the store for you to touch and play with. You have to go. Like, not an option. If you are anywhere in this tri-state area, you have to make a trip out to YM on Thursday, September 13th. Okay, so the event starts at 5:30. I'm probably going to be there around 3 p.m. and I believe Nikon will be there at that time as well. So you can come in and ask them questions and play with the camera. Oh my goodness, this is a huge, huge deal because they are not releasing this launch event everywhere. It's very limited and we are super lucky to have it so close to us. So, oh, and by the way, September 13th is 2 days after 9/11 and 9/11 is my birthday. So if you want to give me a birthday present, please show up at YM Camera and hang out with me on September 13th so that we can see these mirrorless cameras. I'm so excited. Taryn says she's excited. Taryn, you should try to make it. I am out of my mind about this. I cannot wait. Okay, so it says a mirrorless camera that feels like a Nikon. You have to go to their website and check out everything. I've watched all the videos. It's very exciting. It says it was inspired by the D850. Z series cameras embody the elegance, durability, handling, and operation of award-winning Nikon DSLRs. I don't know, but do you guys feel like this is the future? I think this is the future. I don't know. I feel this big shift in the industry, and for someone like me who is super into technology, this is very, very exciting because I love new gear. Who doesn't love to play with new gear? Gosh, it's so much fun. And you know what I'm thinking? Wouldn't it be great if I could get my hands on one, like a demo model to shoot and test? Would that not rock our world? That would be so amazing. And I think the way to do that is to pack YM Camera with people and photographers of all levels who are interested in this camera. Because if we show Nikon that this area, this is where it's at, and we're really excited, and we all say, hey, you should, hey Nikon, meaning, hey Nikon, you should maybe get one of these cameras in the hands of the Flourish.Academy so that they can experiment with it. If we all did that and they heard it repeatedly, what if they did it? What if we got one and we could play with it? You guys, this is amazing. Okay, so you're gonna go to the link that I am going to post below to register for the event. It's free, but if you register, they can kind of anticipate how many people are coming. But what are your questions about this camera? What are you most curious about? Okay, it is a new mount. It's called the Z mount, so it's different than the F mount, but no worries, do not fear. All of your lenses, not all, my gosh, I should think before I speak. Most of the lenses that you use with your Nikon cameras will be compatible with the adapter on this camera, so don't worry. You don't have to worry about buying all new lenses. That is not a problem. They have an adapter. You can still use your F-mount lenses. They are coming out with new Z series lenses. They're releasing, I think, a few with this launch, and then, ongoing into 2019, they'll have more native Z mount lenses available. That doesn't concern me. I'm not worried about that at all. I am most interested in playing with this and just seeing what it can do. I am all over Nikon's website, like looking at this thinking, okay, first of all, yes, I'm extremely excited about the capabilities of this camera, especially in low light. But I personally am really excited about the lightweight, and they're just easier and quiet and sleeker, and I don't know. I think there's always a place for DSLRs, of course. I mean, I was thinking to myself, how many cameras should one photographer own? And I don't think there's a limit on that. I think that you should own a bunch of cameras. I have, let's see, I have 2 older D700s that I still shoot with because I think they're amazing. I primarily shoot weddings and portraits with my D750. I don't own the D850, but I've shot with it. And I have the Fuji X100F that I love to shoot with. I use all of these cameras. So I think to myself, do I really need another camera? Yes, I do, and so do you. I'm interested in the Fuji mirrorless. I'm interested in the Nikon mirrorless. I love technology. I love playing with these cameras. If you have any questions on mirrorless or on especially the new Nikon, you have got to make it out to YM Camera on September 13th. Please, I beg of you. It's 2 days after my birthday. By the way, I celebrate my birthday the entire month of September, and a gift of you showing up would be phenomenal. I think the more people we get there, the more that we're able to show Nikon that we're serious, and maybe you can get us more demo models to play with, which would be a dream come true for me. Okay, I hope you found this useful. I'll see you in the next video.